looking for the right certification.
So this year we plan to do the ISO 20121. It is an event sustainability. So this is inspired us to join this event as we will learn how to do the sustainable and how to be the sustainability in this mice market.
And one of the reasons why I decided to come join the sustainability event was because I saw that there was quite a lot of professional development credits that I could earn, actually almost two and a half times more than one of the professional development conferences in my hometown. And so I figured that this would be a great opportunity to learn about sustainability with regards to Thailand and also global events.
I decided to come here to get a little bit more updated on the trends and what is to be done for sustainability in the events industry.
So I come to this event because of I want to take the knowledge to advise and suggest to the organizer and the venue that how to arrange the sustainable event.
Going through this course, we'll be able to learn more and to share with our colleagues in Macau.
We have gained valuable information here, and I wish everyone to come for this course.
To know more about the sustainability, how we organize the event more sustainable and effective way. So it's very useful.
And we would like to learn more what we can do.
We see that sustainable now is a trend.